At this point, your computer has an IP address, and your new gateway device has an IP address, and they should not be the same, but they should be quite similar, so that they are both using the same IP subnet. If they aren't similar enough to be on the same IP subnet, then they won't find one another at the next step. So we need to pause a bit to get this detail straightened out. Because we haven't yet communicated anything meaningful with the new residential gateway, we can't configure it. So if it's not on the same IP subnet with your PC, then we'll need to change the PC to the gateway's subnet. You can learn a lot more about IP addresses and subnets by watching other movies in the Networking Fundamentals section at AskMisterWizard.com, but for now, it's sufficient to assume that your IP subnet consists of the first three sections of your IP address, like this: 192.168.0 or 192.168.1. If your gateway device is on subnet 192.168.0, then you must configure your PC to be on subnet 192.168.0. And conversely, if the new gateway device is on subnet 192.168.1, then you must configure your PC for subnet 192.168.1, etc. Use your operating system's network configuration facilities to configure a static IP address from the appropriate subnet, avoiding the IP address in use by your gateway device. For example, if your gateway's default IP address is 192.168.0.1, then you might configure your PC for IP address 192.168.0.2. When you're asked for netmask, use 255.255.255.0. When you are asked for default gateway and DNS server, use the default IP address of your new wireless residential gateway device. On a Windows XP machine, this is done through the Control Panel, Network Connections, Local Area Connection 1 offerings. You can see exactly how to do this by exploring the movie entitled Configuring Your Internet Connection Part 2, Static IP Configuration.